guys, welcome back to another video. And today, this is my stuffed animal dog named Magic. We are going to be testing out these two slimes. I've had both of these for a while. I had this one since like August 4th because I got it, I think, on that day. It doesn't it's just a bottle that says slime. I would flip it, but then it'd just be nothing. But I'm gonna flip the camera. This is Peachy Baby Slime Soft Slime. Yeah, I know, I'm not gonna flip the camera. And it's so cute. It is baby axolotl, sizzly, crunchy texture, and it's cucumber melon. I thought it was sea cucumber. Whatever. Water break. Don't ask about my bullets. And I have this one. It doesn't smell like anything or anything, but hi. My dad was there. And this is my room. It's painted. I love it. Oh yeah, I'm a fan. And let's get into it. Okay, hi guys. I wanted to put a filter on this part. Yeah. And fake. So first up I have this little Peachy Baby slime. I love it. I've had it for a while, and I found my bracelet that I loved broke, and it had these little beads, and I didn't know what to do with them. So y'all know what I did? I put them in the slime. That's the trick. And oh, that's so adorable. There's an imprint from where he was. Can y'all see that? Focus. Yeah, it's a pretty ugly slime. I've had it for a while. If you see any hair, it's fine. Comment down below, but I have a limited amount of time, so let's get going. What the heck? Whatever. Okay, let's get the slime out. I can't. This one. I might have to make a part 2, but it's fine. It is so stretchy. See you in the next video. I'm about to make a part 2. Love you. Bye. Bye.